Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we are looking at another pair of trainers, and these ones are from a new seller we've not used before, which is upshoeru. Details for this seller can be found in the description of this video. There's also a discount code. If you were to enter my YouTube name, which is MatthewCX, you can get yourself $18 off any of their trainers on their website. So it doesn't have to be these ones, it can be any on their website. So the shoes themselves come in a FedEx bag. Obviously I'm not going to flip it around because of all my address details on the back, but what I'll do is I'll cut the video here and I'll open the bag and we'll have a look what's underneath. Hopefully it's got one of the boxes, which also then keeps the trainer box in good condition. So I really hope there is another box, but I'm not overly sure whether there is because I can feel a slight divot here. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll open this bag and we'll have a look at what's underneath. If you're only around here, hit that subscribe button because I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions or messages below, I'll always respond back to you. As I said, this is from the seller upshoeru. Okay, so upon opening the FedEx bag, as you can see, it does have the standard brown box, which is really good because that means the trainer's inside. The box itself should be in really good condition. Now, I've done it a few times where I've opened this with one hand, so we'll see if we can be successful today. Slightly short, I think, there. And hopefully I'll give you the first look at what these trainers are. Say, seller upshoeru, not used them before, but I'm really looking forward to having a look at these trainers because when I see these online, I thought they looked absolutely outstanding. So there we go. Can't wait to get these out and have a look at them. So what we'll do is I'll open the box and yeah, if you come back to me in a few minutes, I'll see if I can do it. If you don't notice the size, these ones are for me, so no, I'm not going to be able to open it. So what I'll do is I'll cut back in a second and then I'll show you what we've got. Okay, we've now got them out of the box. So are you ready to see what these are here? So as I said, if you use the discount code MatthewCX, you can save yourself some money from the website upshoeru. All details for the seller will be in the description. I'll also put in there their Instagram and their contact number, so if you're on WhatsApp you can add them. And here we have the first look at these trainers. Absolutely outstanding. A quick look. And then what we'll do is, as always, we'll get them fully out and then I'll show you each trainer individually. But these straight away look absolutely amazing. Cannot wait to get these out and try them on. And here they are. Wow is all I can say. These look absolutely fantastic. So we'll start with the left trainer and we'll start from the front. Look at that glisten, that is lovely. Stitching looks on point. At the back we've got the Nike branding. And as we flip it around, I just love the detail, the colours. Looks absolutely outstanding. Looking at the bottom, the grip is fantastic. Look at that. I love the blue. So inside, our usual paper going in there just to keep the shoe in good shape. Everything underneath, it's tucked in nicely. So these are a US 11.5, UK 10.5, so they are perfect for my size. There is also the Nike branding down there and a QR code, which I can't scan unfortunately. But all the details there of the trainer. Only one single pair of shoelaces came with this one. As it looks absolutely perfect. Look at that toe in a little bit more detail. Absolutely outstanding. Upshoeru, details for the seller in the description of this video. Okay, we'll cut back and we'll have a look at the second shoe. Okay, we're now looking at the second one, so we're looking at the right one now. And I love the difference in colour. black on one and like this silvery grey shine on the other, and that looks absolutely amazing. On point, look at that. The colours are absolutely fantastic. The material there's got like a, it's like a snakeskin effect. Just moving around to the back. There's a little mark down there, but I think that'll soon clean off. Have a look at the grip on this one, which again looks on point. It really does. Honestly can't wait to wear these ones. Inside we do have our paper again to hold the trainer in place, so we'll get rid of that. Do we have our detail on this side? It's down here. So there we are again, US 11.5, UK 10.5. There's a bit of loose cotton down there, but that will soon either hide away or we can cut that out, no problem whatsoever. Look at that. A little bit of a mistake there where I think the Nikes, but in all honesty, you're not going to notice that when these are being worn. Absolutely love these. So what I'm going to do as always is I'm going to go and wear these now around the house for the next few days, and then I will report back the comfort, and yeah, we'll see where we go from there. Okay, here we are back, and I've been wearing these shoes around the house now for the last few days, and I've got to say these are fantastic. They are so nice. I really wish I could let you all try these on, because these are so comfy, but there's so much support. I don't know if you can see, but there's no giving it at all. Really supportive pair of trainers. Cannot fault these at all. Upshoeru as a first pair that I've had from you, this is absolutely outstanding. Really impressed. So details for the seller is in the description of this video. I thoroughly recommend you going and checking them out, because I cannot fault these trainers one bit. Delivery timescales, I got the QC photos on a Saturday. I got the tracking details on the Tuesday, and they got delivered on the Friday. So I don't know if you want to say that's what, 6 days from the quality control photos coming out to me, which I think is probably also the quickest pair of trainers that I've had delivered. So yeah, honestly outstanding. Really impressed. And I've been after a small pair of Dunks again for a while, the low ones. I think I've done quite a few of the Jordans recently, so I just wanted to go back to a pair that I really love, and these have hit the mark on every level. So happy with these. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have, because like I said, absolutely love these. I think these are my new favourite pair of trainers that I've got. So yeah, leave some comments below, let me know what you think, and any questions or anything, obviously leave them. I will always get back to you. And details for the seller, upshoeru, in the description of this video, along with their WhatsApp and Instagram. And Matthew CX will save you some money as a discount code, so make sure if you do buy some trainers from them, you use my discount code. If you are new around here, also hit the like and subscribe button, because I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. So thank you very much for watching. I'll just give you one last view of these trainers. Absolutely love them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.